Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm excited to show you our brand new ECE Teaching Planner, following on from the one we did last year, following the Maramataka. So when we're coming up to Pipiri, we'll be changing from that planner to this planner, the new one. Lots of the same wonderful things we had before and some extras as well. I'm sure you'll be really happy with it, and a little bit more space to write in each week. So we've still got our weekly spaces, but a bit more, so hopefully you can see there that that's a bit more space. Still got our phrase of the week, our sentence of the week, or question sometimes, and our whakatauki and our Aotearoa history, and lots of really good information for you to try using this year. And also this one that I've done at the beginning is a new one that I'm sure many of you will love, about describing the past and the future in Te Reo Māori. So talking about yesterday, tomorrow, last year, next month, and those kind of words and phrases and sentences. So I'm sure you'll love it. Ka kite.